I must introduce myself. I am Professor Dr. Komal Patil from Chemistry Department, Vasantrao Naik Senior College, Shahada. Today, we are going to learn organic reaction mechanism, paper 3rd, semester 5th for the class TYBSc. Now, the first unit of this paper includes nucleophilic substitution reaction at saturated carbon atom. This unit has weightage 12 marks. Now the introduction, nucleophilic substitution reaction. So, what is meant by nucleophilic substitution reaction? When the nucleophile with electron pair replaces leaving group X of substrate is called as nucleophilic substitution reaction. Simply we can say that when leaving group X is replaced by nucleophile, such reactions are called as nucleophilic substitution reaction. Now this reactions has three components. One is substrate, nucleophile and product. Now we will learn these components one by one. Substrate. So what is meant by substrate? Substrate is the compound in which the functional group changes. Now in this substrate, the functional group is halogen, and when the reaction is completed, this halogen functional group changes here, and therefore this is called as substrate. Now the nucleophile. So what is meant by nucleophile? Any atom, group or species which contains lone pair of electron or electron rich and denoted by negative charge is called as nucleophile. Now in this case there is also one more important component, that is the leaving group. So what is meant by leaving group? Any group which is more electronegative and lose its position along with the bond is called as leaving group. Simply we can say that any group which leaves its position along with the bond is called as leaving group. In this case, halogen is more electronegative, so it has a tendency to leave its position along with the bond. Now, what is meant by reaction mechanism? The stepwise description of reaction in which how reactant converts into product is called as reaction mechanism. Means we should not know only how reactant converts into product, but we should know how the reactant converts into product. That is the stepwise description of the reaction, whether it includes intermediate or carbocation or transition state when the reaction is going on. So this stepwise description of the reaction is called as reaction mechanism. Now, what is meant by SN2 reaction? Here S stands for substitution, N stands for nucleophile and Q stands for bimolecular. So SN2 reaction is nothing but the substitution nucleophilic bimolecular reaction. Now, example of SN2 reaction. Consider the hydrolysis of methyl bromide with aqueous alkali to form methyl alcohol. Now here, methyl bromide reacts with this aqueous alkali to form methyl alcohol. Now the kinetic study of this reaction, kinetic study of this equation. The kinetic study of this reaction clearly indicates that the methyl bromide and nucleophile takes part in slow step called as rate determining step. So the rate of reaction depends upon the concentration of methyl bromide and nucleophile OH negative. Now here this rate is directly proportional to the concentration of methyl bromide and concentration of nucleophile OH. Now therefore the rate is equal to K2 concentration of methyl bromide and concentration of nucleophile. Simply here square bracket is used to denote the concentration of the reactants, where this K2 is second order rate constant. Now in this reaction in slow step, two molecules takes part and therefore it is called as bimolecular reaction. Two molecules means one molecule of methyl bromide and one molecule of nucleophile OH takes part in slow step, and hence this reaction is bimolecular reaction. Now it is second order reaction. Why it is called as second order reaction? What is meant by order of reaction? The sum of exponents of the square brackets is called as order of the reaction. Now here the one molecule of methyl bromide plus one molecule of nucleophile OH takes part in reaction, hence it is called as second order reaction. Now it is one step concerted mechanism. Now the mechanism is represented like this. Now this is methyl bromide, this is transition state, and this is final product, that is methyl alcohol. Now in this mechanism, the nucleophile OH negative attacks from the opposite side of CBr bond, and Br leaving group leaves its position from the front side to form a transition state. In this transition state, the hydrogen atoms are lie in the same plane of the paper, and these hydrogen atoms are perpendicular to the plane of the paper. In this mechanism, this COH bond is partially formed and CBr bond is partially break. Means bond breaking and making takes place simultaneously. So this mechanism is called as concerted mechanism. Now this transition state is unstable, so it breaks immediately and we get the final product, that is methyl alcohol. Now the configuration of methyl alcohol is completely opposite to the concentration of reactant, that is methyl bromide. And therefore this configuration is completely opposite to the reactant, so it is called as inversion of configuration. In this mechanism, the negative charge of entering group, that is nucleophile, will transfer to the leaving group. Now the energy profile diagram. So what is meant by energy profile diagram? It is the graph of energy versus reaction coordinate is called as energy profile diagram. Now this is the energy profile diagram in which the energy of reactant is higher, then it undergoes to transition state where the energy is highest, and therefore this transition state is unstable due to the higher internal energy. And this transition state is short-lived due to higher energy, so it collapses immediately, it breaks immediately to form the product. The energy of the product is less, so product is more stable. Okay, thank you.